Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Tuesday, June 26, 2001, 8 am. Don't worry, you are doing what you came for. It is true that the spiritual nature of a being is different from his physical nature. These two natures live, shall we say, separate lives, even though they may happen to interfere with each other. Your spiritual bodies are immersed in another type of energy, another light, which your senses cannot perceive, as they are so limited by the grossness of earthly vibrations. These are desired limitations necessary to your work here below. The spiritual work refines you. It is like a lamp that lights your way and elevates your burden. The teaching you chose to accompany this work is decisive. It corresponds to your evolution. If your choice is good, it saves you invaluable time. Your stay on earth can be compared to a pilgrimage where the way being used is of the highest importance, taking into account its length and the many pitfalls punctuating it. Your spiritual nature urges you, as far as it can, to take the right direction. But man often remains deaf to its injunctions, thus missing the main thing. May you waste no more time and open your eyes upon the reality of your lives. Babuji Maharaj. Same day at 10 am. Has all that we told you throughout these daily contacts not convinced you of our presence by your side? How must we express ourselves to reassure you and inform you of the events of this brief incarnation? Imagine you are traveling, having to carry out some amount of work required in your contract. Will your service record be satisfactory? The outcome depends only on you. Let yourself be carried away by the impulses of your heart. Make sure they embellish your life. They can change the most insignificancy into a real ray of sunshine. Do not buck at an obstacle. You would reduce your strength. See how a restive horse can slow down its pace before an obstacle. It jeopardizes all the efforts made previously. Its behavior severely harms the pursuit of success, which is the goal of its current condition. Do not get on your high horse because of this comparison with a horse specimen. The thoroughbred has reached a level where mistakes are no longer permitted. It must succeed. It has no option on pain of falling back. It also, within its capabilities, is the master of its fate. We wanted to give a humorous twist to a teaching, presented from a different perspective, which shows the active part you have to take in your evolution. Babuji Maharaj.